Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And have you guys ever seen this packaging? So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. Okay, so I have never ordered from this company online before, and these are what the items came in. And at first they sort of reminded me of what are those called, like meal packets for soldiers or whatever. But yeah, so let me go ahead and unbox these guys for you. Which one should I start with? The small one or the big one? Let's start with this one. Okay, so like I said, I have never ordered online from this company, and I only have a couple items from this company to begin with. But on Instagram, there has been several pictures of this item, and it really piqued my interest because I don't have this particular piece. Okay, so here, okay, so the inside, it's a box, and here is the card, and let me give you a close-up of what company this is from. So if you can see, it is from Hermes. So this must be my receipt. Okay, so here is a card that explains the return and exchange policy. And here on the back side, there was a little flap to open that has my receipt in it. And so yeah, let's get into this. This is so cute. Okay, so here is the box, and there must be another box in there because I know Hermes does not have cardboard boxes like this as their presentation. Oh, look at that. So there is the item. Okay, so I know which one this is. So here is the packaging. There is an Hermes sticker right there. And here is the infamous box. And with the ribbon it says Hermes Paris. And it usually has the date, but I don't see the date on this ribbon. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. Any guesses on what it could be just from the size of the box? Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. I have not had Hermes in a very long time. I think the last time was probably, I don't know, like maybe over 10 years ago when I bought the belt. Okay, let me open this up. So here is the inside. Just tissue paper. Okay, so here we go. You already saw the color. So here is the item. It is Bastia, I think that's how you pronounce it, coin purse. And I just noticed that there is no dust bag for this piece. Well, that's unfortunate, but yeah, isn't this a really cool piece anyway? So this is a coin purse, and here is the inside, and the color of this is what is it called? Electric blue, or blue électrique. And there you go. It says Hermes Paris, made in France. And yeah, so here you could put your coins in there. I think this is really cool, and I really love the color. Let me see the receipt, because I know Hermes has a lot of different leathers, and I am such a novice for Hermes because I am not at that level yet. But I know there were different prices for these items depending on the leather also. Okay, so darn, it just says Bastia coin purse, blue electric. It does not say what the leather is. So I would have to, I don't know, try to figure that out. Anyways, but I think it is one of the more expensive leathers, because this particular one, I have seen other Bastia coin purses go for like $220. This one in particular is $235. And the nice thing about ordering from Hermes here in Minnesota is that since we don't have a store here, there is no tax. Okay, so here is the next item. I'm not showing the other side because the other side has my address on it. Well, let me go ahead and open this. So I did make two separate purchases because I was just excited to find this piece that I just, you know, checked out as soon as I could before anybody else tried to buy it. And there is no charge for shipping, so why not? Okay, so here, item, again, here is the receipt. Let me see if this comes with the description of the leather. And no, it does not. I mean, there is a code underneath the name of the item, and that could say, and there's letters and numbers, maybe that has the specific leather type. I've always said that my favorite leather in Hermes is the Epsom leather because it's the most durable, I believe, and it is at the cheaper, at the lower price point for Hermes. But let's go ahead and open this one. So this leather, like I said, is a little bit more expensive. Okay, so here is the other item. It's a little bit of a longer box. Can you guys guess what it is based on the size of the box? Okay, let me go ahead and open it up for you. This is exciting because I love unboxings, and here is the inside. So you can see it's the same color. So this is the... It's so unfortunate these don't come with dust bags. It's like, hello, these things are so expensive that it'd be nice to have a dust bag. But okay, so here is... So this piece is called the Calvi. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but it is a card case. And again, this one says Hermes Paris, made in France. Now, I don't know if Hermes is made elsewhere or if every piece is made in France. If somebody knows out there, please let me know. But both of these pieces were made in France. So these are both in that electric blue color, which is such a pretty color. And this one retailed for $370. Now, as far as saying prices, in my videos, I don't really mind doing so if I purchase it in the boutique or if I purchase it retail, because yeah, anybody could figure out the retail value of these things. And again, so this one is $370, and I have seen other ones retail for, I think, $325 or even less than that. So like I said, this is a more expensive leather. What makes a leather more expensive, I do not know, but this is a very soft leather, and you can see the grain, if the camera will. There you go, so there is the grain of the leather. But what really got me to get these items is the color, because these are so amazing. And I will try to do a comparison between my card cases, because I do have card cases from Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and now I have one from Hermes. So before purchasing these two items, the only pieces I have gotten from Hermes was a belt, which I still have, and a bracelet, which I still have as well. But yeah, I have not gone to that level to buy Hermes as, you know, my everyday pieces, or even a bag for that matter. But who knows, maybe, you know, after getting these I'll get that Hermes bug. But to be honest, these, I mean, I like Chanel because it is distinctively Chanel with the quilting pattern. And I mean, these pieces, they are definitely, you know, distinctive as far as Hermes is concerned. But I don't know, right now I'm sort of still in a phase where I like to be sort of out there a little bit more than, you know, Hermes pieces, because Hermes tend to be a little bit more on the subdued side of, what shall we call it? I don't know. You know what I mean. I mean, there's no logos. I mean, there are logos on, you know, the H belts, but there is no, you know, logo on these things. But anyways, okay, so I will stop talking there. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing, or in this case, unboxings, and hopefully you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.